Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the easy mode on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. So your BlindShell Classic mobile phone comes with two modes that you can use. One is an easy mode and one is a full mode. The phone is set to full mode by default. Full mode means that you have access to all the different features of the phone, all the different areas. And easy mode is just that. It's a simplified version of the full mode. So you have limited access to some of those features. This is going to be great for someone that possibly doesn't care about all the extra apps and features. Maybe they just want a simple phone that they can make phone calls on, send text messages, and that's it. That's all they need. Well, they can turn on the easy mode. But whichever you would like to do, it's really easy to set those. We're going to navigate to the settings.
Messages 2 of 9. Contacts 3 of more applications. Settings 5 of 9.
And click OK.
Sounds 1 of 9.
Now we're looking for the phone menu mode. So we're going to navigate to the right until we find that option.
Keyboard 2 of 9. Display 3 of 9. Networks 4 of 9. Phone menu mode 5 of 9.
But we're going to click OK.
Full mode selected 1 of 2.
And it says that we are using the full mode right now.
Simplified mode not selected 2 of 2.
And simplified mode is the easy mode. So I'm going to click OK on that to turn on the simplified mode or the easy mode.
Settings menu is hidden in the simplified mode. You can access settings from simplified mode by dialing ### as a phone number. Simplified mode selected 2 of 2.
Now we are in simplified mode, and they gave us some very important information right there. Because when you are in simplified mode or easy mode, you do not have access to your settings, then you won't be able to switch it back into full mode if you ever want to go back and once again regain full control over the phone. So they said the way you do that is to dial ### as a phone number. So we're going to go ahead and go back.
Call 1 of 5.
Now let's take a look at what we do have available to us in simplified mode. So we can make phone calls.
Messages 2 of 5.
Text messaging.
Contacts 3 of 5.
We have our contacts.
No notifications 4 of 5.
We can still receive notifications.
Turn off the phone 5 of 5.
And we can turn off the phone.
Call 1 of 5.
And that's it for our main menu. We don't have settings anymore. We don't have applications anymore. If I press up on the directional pad to get into the status menu.
10:48 a.m. Friday, January 17th, 2020. Battery state 93%. Signal strength 50%. Carrier AT&T.
It simply reads out a full list of current statuses, the battery, the network, the time and the date. So all that useful information, but it does not put us into a status menu like it does in the full mode. One more thing to note about while we are in easy mode, if I long press the voice button, nothing happens. So we no longer have voice control, the voice assistant, the voice calling, anything like that. Now, that being said, if I go into a text field here, whether that's a text message or adding a contact, I can still do voice dictation. How are you? ?
How are you?
So voice dictation does still work when you are entering in text into a text field, but we don't have the other voice controls. Now, in order to get back into the full mode, we need to jump into the dialer. So I'm going to click OK into the call menu here.
Dial contact 1 of 3. Dial number 2 of 3.
I want to dial a number.
Number.
Now I want to enter in ### or the pound symbol, ###, which is the very bottom right button.
###.
And click OK.
Settings. Phone menu mode 1 of 9.
This brings us back into our settings and directly to the phone menu mode. I'm going to click OK.
Simplified mode selected 2 of 2.
And I'm going to go to the right.
Full mode not selected 1 of 2.
And I'm going to click OK on full mode.
Full mode selected.
Now if I long press the back button,
Call 1 of 9.
I can jump back to the main menu here.
Messages, contacts, more application, settings, status information, 6 of 9.
And you see all of our extra features are back, and we are back into the full mode on the phone. So that is how to enable and disable the easy mode or the simplified mode on your BlindShell Classic phone. If you'd like to learn more about what your BlindShell phone can do, definitely check out our other YouTube tutorials.